truth. Last week the heater blower went out. It's making a noise. It's cold. It's freezing. I bought this resistor and a blower motor. Or these are the old ones. Put them in. They're underneath here. Moment of truth. Well, how is it going? Replaced my blower fan and it still doesn't work. I got it plugged in more so it doesn't have that noise, but now the fan doesn't work. So I went to O'Reilly's and picked up another fan, and I'm not going to use the one that I bought from Amazon, which is possibly junk. Now I am doing it a second time. I go underneath here. Let's take that one off and put a new one on, number 3. All right, guys, moment of truth times 2. This one is the original one that was making noise. This one was the one from Amazon. I thought that would work. That was 40 bucks. And we have a new one in here. So, here we go. Notice my keychain, Zion National Park. Best park ever. All right, here we go. It kicked in. Woo, woo. Do you hear that? It's the sound of a blower running. So, happy camper here. I have heat in my car. Last week, I did not have heat. Then it worked the next day, but I was afraid that it would go out again because it was making noise. And so today is warmer now in Minnesota. Last week it was like 10 degrees, and this week now it's like 35. So I decided to fix it. Now, the first time I tried it, didn't work, but you know, don't give up. You gotta keep going and trying and asking people and watching more YouTube channels. Anyways, it's very interesting. YouTube channels are like, hey, yeah, do this. And then it works fine. Doesn't work for me like that. But anyways, I did fix it. Now I have to go do some taxes. See you later.